Hold on. Hey guys, 𝐸𝐸𝐴 John. I know a lot of you guys have been asking about my skincare routine.
Hello? Giza! Yeah, man! You're gonna fucking...
Right, guess where I'm going today? I am excited. What do you think of the top? Kind of cute, no?
Oh, and if you're new and you don't know me, my name is Natalija. I help you to live your best life in Thailand. Surely you don't want to miss out, so you gotta subscribe. Right, are we guys ready to go?
Don't know, are we ready to go?
We are. Adam? So cute, like clean and white, like girly and really like beautiful. I like it. Really nice. I love it. Love it, love it.
We saw it's nice, yeah.
Right, back again, put away for the day. Don't need this.
Alice, great shows on the boat.
I went home last week.
Superb.
To our staff to taking care of all of you today. We have 4 staff to taking care of all of you. Captain Ami.
Ami!
We are.
Password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Let me show you where I am. Right, towel, health and safety, obviously first.
It's okay?
Jumping off the boat. Still alive? Yeah, good. But, do you know what? It's my girls, my hot girls. Da, 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 da. Right, we're going on the island, eh? Let's go. Let's go. Right, we're on the island. Aaron, good.
Party crew.
I've got my overnight porridge with me. That is mad, eh? Some food.
Oh, mango rice.
I like mango rice actually.
Top to the Ritz.
Oh, aircon, isn't it?
Congratulations, I've lost every single pair apart from next
I'm not surprised.
You got mine, yeah?
Where are we going next?
Good to see the gang back
Going
together.
to Maya Bay.
Maya Bay, yeah.
Just gonna pop there for a bit of a snorkel. How about you?
Same, just follow me. Here's our beauty there on the background. That one there. That one there. Hot. Oh yeah, as a driver, he's going to pick us up. Yo! Constantly shouting, eh?
Look at the big
Wow! That is insane. Good luck then.
Thank you.
matchy shoes.
Aww,
Okay,
stop
let's
it.
go to the boat. Good luck with that. Let's go! Adam.
Are you ready?
Move up forward though.
We're good. Mermaid. Ready, Buster?
1, 2, 3.
You got your horn?
Look at it's corals, right? Ah, who's done that? Should we pick it up? Let's pick up the crab. Exactly. Let's be nice. Like,
Okay, Matt, go.
that person.
Ready, 3.
Down there. Careful.
Skag.
Can you want me pizza here?
Look at this spot. Come on, do it.
Well, I'm going,
Go,
am I?
go, go. Ready?
Go,
Steady.
Oh yeah. Shake your hand.
Go. Hello, guys. Do you have drinks? Do you have
drinks,
drinks? Where are the
Straight
drinks?
vodka.
Do you have alcohol? Where's your boat? Oh, that's nice. Where's the vodka?
Absolutely.
How are you? Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
Have fun.
Australia?
UK.
Ukraine. No.
Check. Whoop whoop.
Send a bob.
We're off to Nard,
Go
Buzz.
on, Adam. Go on. Look at him.
Oh, in reverse.
Go on then. Hello, sexy. Oi, oi. We get them. Yeah. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. You go with us?
Go with you, yeah.
Right, yeah. Go.
Let's go slow.
Aaron, go. Aaron, go. Oh, yeah. Wait. Take them as well. Wait.
Come on.
Use the rope.
Come on. Use the rope.
There we go.
Faster, go.
Oh my God, it's going under.
Look at them. A family.
Oh no! See ya!
Bye.
Got bones. Bones are a little bit moving today.
Wait. Well done, boys. It's falling apart. The woman in control, the usual. See, this is what.
Time to stop for 1 second.
Look at him.
Look
Look at him. Go! So we are in Maya Bay, you know, where the movie Beach was filmed. So yeah, there's the birthday girl, really hot apparently. Yo, madam, are you living your best life?
A little bit.
A little bit. We all look here, right?
What?
I said we look here.
Oh, right. You want me to look at the camera?
Yeah, because that's how it should be. You shouldn't be looking at yourself. Oh shit! Wait. Okay. This is our boat, by the way. That one there. We've got a private yacht. There's my boys over there walking around, looking hot. Boys, are you excited?
It's sexy boy.
It's sexy boy, sexy boy, sexy boy, sexy girl. Yeah, go on, Sam.
Come the boy.
Now we're going to the beach where the movie was filmed. Okay, in. We are in.
Yeah, I feel like
So now you've got to pay 400 baht. 400 baht?
I don't know, but I feel like we've been
Enter.
partying. Like this party
There's
boat.
the birthday girl. And there's a crazy one over there with tattoos.
Give me an Aaron.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
I expect it back in the glory
That's for
straight.
using your shower, mate.
That means 4 quarters.
So everyone else here is like proper dressed, like wearing proper clothing. So basically you're not allowed to swim, you can just touch the water. Okay, here's my lot. It's in Maya Bay.
Oh, my eyes are filling.
That American trucker cap that you picked up on the fucking...
Aaron, you're spoiling my video with your voice. I'm joking. Look at this sexy ass, look at it.
fucking burnt ass.
I know from the jet ski yesterday. Back there. Back there.
Can you
Did you see your abs are kissing me and
Yeah.
kissing me off? Where are the abs? Let's check them out.
These old things.
10. Wow. Nice.
Are we ready? I can't see a thing, but I'm guessing it's fucking gorgeous. Boyfriend's Instagram, I mean...
Right, let me show you something. As there's actually a sign saying welcome to Maya Bay. I want to show you. By the way, I'm sweating. Absolutely sweating, so hot. Here's a sign. Welcome to Maya Bay.
Give to me.
Welcome.
You want to take a picture?
Oh, they look matching.
You video or picture? Picture. 1, 2, Skoolie.
Skaguli!
Good picture.
Great.
Nice. Shall we sell it?
By small fractions.
On eBay, the sand. It's a different sand. A lot of people. Look, a lot of people coming here. This is where you enter the Mama Bay. So our yacht is just over there, parked. And these guys, they come on a little boat, the really authentic ones. Thank you. Bye.
Where's the bird? Oh, this one. Double.
He's mad.
Where's the bird? Which you put underneath? Yeah. Oh, no, no, different one. What do you speak into? Oh, hello.
Giza!
Giza.
Yeah, man. You gonna fucking pick us up or what? It's fucking cold.
Guys, don't swear. Don't swear. Can we say something nice?
Hi, baby.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Alice! Happy birthday, dear Alice! Happy birthday to you!
Right, Andy.
Oh, that comes. Baby. Whoa. Fucking come on.
I'm driving the thing. Yo, get it. Woo, woo.
That's sexy.
Natalia, driving it, mate.
Hi, baby. Wait. Can you see it's changing when moving? Right, so welcome to our lovebirds. Here's the guys. When is the wedding, by the way? Am I invited to the wedding? Because you formed your relationship. Woo! Woo! Here's a $6 in there, chilling. Let's see, what's happening here? What's happening? Hello, birds. What are you doing? You're eating them. Oh, check him out! Stop showing off! Look at him! Can you pick me up, please? Let me leave the phone. I'll go behind. Looks like you know what you're doing. Wait! Aaron! I don't know why I'm shouting all the time.
Shouty bird.
I'm always shouting. Go on, babe. Whose birthday is it?
Before you sat there.
Do you want me to hurt you?
I smack you.
Do you want me to hurt you?
Smack you. Oh,
to hurt you?
Jiu-jitsu.
Got a little drone going. It's illegal in Thailand, but hey ho. Right, he's rocking it with an arm safe. Right, go. Hold the glass. Go way. Oh my God. That's another mental one. Go on then. Go. Way.
Is this wet?
Come on, champion.
Ja!
Let's go.
Das ist gut, Jasper!
Come on, go. Oh my God, you didn't run the bloody thing. Oh, well, that's all right. I got the shot. I mean, the shoes. Here's a little bit.
Unreal day.
He did not drink alcohol. I mean, come on. What this one? This one is the perfect one. He shouldn't drink alcohol. That's it. Have a shower. The hair, look at it.
Coming to catch.
Another crazy animal there. Lovebirds over there. I need Phil's here.
Kica John coming in. How are you?
You're trying to like advertise
I was going to
yourself
say, I
on my
don't have a
fucking
YouTube channel. Don't have a channel yet, but when it comes in, Kica John, follow it. Is that what you do? Do you follow? Do you subscribe? I don't know.
Listen, hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you don't know me.
Look at it stay in this one.
Oh my God, there's a lot of people there, no?
It's like a proper Hong Kong joke. So yeah, so hold on. Hey guys, Kica John. I know a lot of you guys have been asking about my skincare routine. So...
What do you do? Tell us.
Oh, I wake up.
Roll out
And
the bed.
that's about it. Look like shit. Look like shit, accept it. Get on with my day.
There you go. I mean...
What more could you want to do with your life?